Good morning children and welcome back. Today we will start with the second part of chapter number 5. Okay, and we will start with the topic of Dandi Yatra. Now you know this Dandi Yatra was initiated by whom? Gandhiji. Now in December 1929 the Indian National Congress declared the total independence for India. Was it objective, and to that effect January 26, 1930 was celebrated as Independence Day throughout the country. People everywhere enthusiastically pledged themselves to fight for Purna Swaraj. Okay, in the previous video I have told you, okay, the people have met under the leadership of we can say Gandhiji and Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, Subhash Chandra Bose, they were active leaders at that time, and all the youths have been met on the bank of river Ravi. Okay, and which was the date? 26th January 1930, and there they had taken a vow for Purna Swaraj or complete independence. Again this background, Gandhiji under the authority of the Congress took the first step and launched the civil disobedience movement known as Salt Satyagraha. So under civil disobedience movement, okay, उन्होंने ये initiate किया movement, civil disobedience movement, और उसके अंतर्गत he started this we can say Salt Satyagraha. This was considered as civil disobedience by the British, as producing salt was their monopoly. Okay, why? Because the British had taken over all the salt pans under them. सब कुछ जो भी salt pans हमारे इंडिया में थे, बड़े बड़े salt pans, they were now under the British rule. Okay, and they were putting up heavy taxes on the salt. सॉल्ट जो एक नॉर्मल चीज़ है, हर इंसान को खाने पीने के लिए चाहिए ही, उनके ऊपर भी उन्होंने टैक्सेस लगा के रखे थे. तो नाउ गांधी वांटेड टू स्टार्ट विद दिस सॉल्ट सत्याग्रह. व्हाई डिड गांधी स्टार्टेड दिस सॉल्ट सत्याग्रह और डांडी मार्च? द मार्च वॉज इंटेंडेड टू प्रोटेस्ट अगेंस्ट द नेफरियस प्रोविजंस ऑफ द सॉल्ट टैक्स इम्पोज्ड बाय द ब्रिटिश. ब्रिटिशर्स ने इतने सारे सॉल्ट टैक्स लगा के रखा था, तो उसको अगेंस्ट में जाना. ओके, कि वी विल नॉट पे दिस टैक्स. फॉर दैट गांधीजी स्टार्टेड दिस डांडी यात्रा. द मार्च इन इफेक्ट वाज द स्पार्क दैट इग्नाइटेड द फ्लेम्स ऑफ द फ्रीडम मूवमेंट एंड कॉज्ड द आइडिया ऑफ मास सिविल डिसोबीडियंस टू स्प्रेड लाइक वाइल्ड फायर अक्रॉस द नेशन. ओके, दिस वाज जस्ट एन स्पार्क था कि एक चिंगारी लगानी थी. उसके बाद तो सब मूवमेंट्स एक के बाद होते गए, एंड एट द लास्ट वी गॉट आवर फ्रीडम. बट दिस वाज द इनिशियल वी कैन से मूवमेंट, द फर्स्ट मूवमेंट बाय गांधीजी. इट वाज बेस्ड ऑन नॉन वायलेंट सत्याग्रह. Gandhian ideals were widely followed. Again this march was based on what? Non-violent satyagraha. Okay, just they wanted to take out the march. No violence. Gandhiji was always against non-violence. It was an open challenge to the British rule. The people openly disobeyed the laws. Now what and how? Okay, with the specific events. Gandhiji led a march on foot from Sabarmati to Dandi. He broke the salt law at Dandi and inaugurated the movement. Okay, now Gandhiji had started the march from 12th March 1930. Okay, and they had started this Dandi Yatra along with his supporters from Harijan Ashram. Okay, and singing different songs or hymns we can say. He had started the yatra. Songs like Vaishnav Jan, To Tere Re, Kahiye Je, Peen Paraye Jane Re. All these were the songs Gandhiji had sung when he had started the Dandi Yatra. Now at that time Gandhiji also said, at the time of Dandi Yatra, brave never run away from struggle. The one who runs by seeing the struggle is not brave. कि जो brave होगा वो struggle को देखकर भागेगा नहीं, और जो भाग गया मतलब वो brave नहीं है. Okay, so Gandhiji along with his supporters started the Dandi march. Okay, this march जो उन्होंने डांडी यात्रा स्टार्ट की थी, that was nearly how many kilometers long? 370 kilometers long. Just imagine 370 kilometers Gandhiji had walked. Okay, from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi. On 6th April 1930, Gandhi with the accompaniment of 79 satyagrahis violated the salt law by picking up a fistful of salt lying on the seashore. They manually made salt on the shores of Dandi. Now when he had started this march, you know, on the what we say Bhat, जहाँ पे वो area थी, he had said that on March 29th 1930 he had said that I shall die the death of a crow or a dog, but I will not return to this ashram without attaining पूर्ण स्वराज. Isn't it? कि मैं वापस नहीं लौटूंगा मेरे आश्रम में until and unless I get my पूर्ण स्वराज. Okay. Now Gandhiji passing through so many small and big towns, you know, he used to give the speeches. यहाँ पैदल चलते चलते वो लोगों को इकट्ठा करते करते समझाते जाते थे कि हमने ये दांडी यात्रा क्यों स्टार्ट की है. What is the main purpose of starting this yatra? Okay, at that time, you know, the full nation was involved in a way of satyagraha. सब जने, you know, गांधी जी का साथ देना चाहते थे, and they all were, you know, a part of this satyagraha. Now, Gandhiji, along with his colleagues and supporters, reached Dandi after 24 days of march. Isn't it? Nearly 24 दिन वो लगातार चलते रहे और उन्होंने 370 किलोमीटर्स चले. And on 5th April 1930 he reached Dandi. कब पहुंचे थे? 5th April. And on the next day, early morning, that is on 6th April 1930, okay, and Gandhiji along with his supporters, you know, all the supporters, he took the salt in his hand. Is it? वहाँ पे सुबह सुबह पहुँचकर he took a salt in his hand and there he said that I have broken the salt law. Okay, and by this event I am applying salt to the foundation of building in the form of British Empire. Okay, so at that time in the morning he said that I have broken the salt law. Now Shri Mahadev Desai had compared this event as Mahavinishkarman. Isn't it? कि भाई ये सब एक बड़ा event है. Now its effects and impact. The program of the civil disobedience movement, also known as Dandi March, incorporated, besides the breaking of the salt laws, picketing of the shops, selling foreign goods and liquor, bonfire of the cloth, refusal to pay taxes, and avoidance of the offices by the public officers and schools by the students. You know, because of this, so many people गांधी जी के इस सत्याग्रह में तो साथ दे ही रहे थे, but along with that, what did they do? They stopped purchasing the foreign goods. सब foreign goods लेना बंद कर दिया. Then they started bonfiring the this goods. जो foreign goods थे उनको इकट्ठा करके bonfire लगा देते थे. They stopped paying the taxes. They refused paying the taxes. Okay, and they stopped going to their houses. British houses में जाकर उनका कामकाज करना उन्होंने बंद कर दिया. उनके schools में जाना students ने जाना बंद कर दिया. So this way, you know, all were giving, you know, their hand, we can say a helping hand to Gandhi ji. They were giving, उनका साथ दे रहे थे गांधी जी का. You know, even the women joined forces against the British people. Now, rich peasants, you know, depression and fall in prices affected them badly. They demanded reduction in land revenue. Okay, now, you know, सबके प्राइजेस कम होते गए और उसकी वजह से जो फार्मर्स थे, पीसेंट्स थे, उनको बहुत इफेक्ट पड़ा था. तो वो गवर्नमेंट से, ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट से लैंड रेवेन्यू का रिडक्शन मांग रहे थे कि अब हम जो रेवेन्यू देते हैं वो भी कम किया जाए. पुअर पीसेंट्स, डिप्रेशन अफेक्टेड देम बैडली. दे डिमांडेड रिडक्शन इन रेंट. जो पुअर पीसेंट्स थे वो भी, यू नो, रेंट जो पे कर रहे थे उसमें भी वो लोग रिडक्शन मांगने लगे कि हम रेंट अब कम पे करेंगे. The business class people, they demanded protection against the import of foreign goods. उनके business पे भी effect पड़ा. Why? Because people were now using the Indian goods, isn't it? So they demanded protection against the import of foreign goods. And industrial workers, they were poorly paid. Conditions of the work were miserable. You know, all the people were affected because of this Dandi March or Dandi Yatra. But then also, nearly all the people have said कि हम गांधी जी का साथ देंगे. Now Gandhi-Irwin Pact, or the Round Table Conference and moratorium of Satyagraha. Now Gandhiji was called upon the Britishers for the Round Table Conference related to the constitutional structure and reforms. Now the first Round Table Conference was held but with the absence of Congress leaders, it was futile. गांधी जी को बुलाया गया for the what we say round table conference, but then Congress leaders present नहीं रहे, तो that first round table conference was a failure. Now first round table conference was held, I told you कि Congress leaders नहीं आए, तो it was a failure. To reconcile with Congress, a pact between Gandhiji and Irwin was made, which was known as Gandhi-Irwin Pact. अब एक pact sign हुआ, an agreement sign हुआ किसके बीच में? गांधी जी और इरविन के बीच में, in which permission of free collection or manufacture of salt by persons near the sea coast and permission of peaceful picketing were the main points. क्योंकि गांधी जी परमिशन मांग रहे थे कि जो लोग उन पैंट्स के आमने सामने रहते हैं उनको permission दी जाए to make the salt. In the second round table conference, Gandhiji was the only representative from Congress, and Britishers had discriminating points for various religious committees, to which Gandhiji was deeply disappointed, and therefore the conference was dissolved. Now during the second round table conference, गांधी was the only representative from Congress. कांग्रेस की तरफ से सिर्फ गांधी जी गए थे. And Britishers had discriminating points. Britishers ने जो भी points रखा था that were very discriminating. Okay, so इन points की वजह से गांधी जी was deeply disappointed. गांधी जी को वो बात अच्छी नहीं लगी, and therefore the conference was dissolved. Now the conclusion of the Dandi March or the Salt March. The Salt March, which took place from March to April 1913 in India, was an act as a civil disobedience led by Mohandas Gandhi to protest the British rule in India. During the march, thousands of Indians followed Gandhi from the religious point of view near Ahmedabad to Arabian Sea coast, a distance from some 240 miles. The march resulted in the arrest of nearly 60,000 people, including Gandhi himself. India finally was granted this independence in 1947. This was, we can say, from 1930 Gandhi ji had started all these movements, and this led to the independence in 1947. Okay, now this all about short note has been given on page number 32 and 33 of your textbook. Go through it. A big answer of nearly 3 or 4 marks. Okay, thank you beta. Have a nice day.